Hey there, creative minds! Ever wondered how to turn any animal photo into a talking, dancing, storytelling superstar? Well, get ready, because I'm about to show you how to bring your wildest characters to life with the power of AI. Imagine snapping a picture of your pet cat or choosing your favorite animal online, and then boom! That animal starts telling stories, singing songs, or teaching fun facts in any language you want. Sounds like magic, right? But it's real, and it's easier than you think. Let's break it down. First, you can upload any animal photo. Yes, even your own pet or a drawing you made. Or just type in a prompt and let the AI create a brand new animal character for you. Next, watch as your animal friend blinks, smiles, waves, and even dances. The AI adds eye blinks, hand gestures, and dynamic facial expressions, making your photo look like it's straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster. But that's not all. Want your animal to speak perfect Spanish, French, or even Japanese? With text-to-speech technology, your characters can talk or even sing in any language, with perfect lip sync, emotions, and natural expressions. You can upload your own voiceover too, or let the AI do the talking. Need your animal to tell a story, sing a birthday song, or teach the ABCs? Just pick from a variety of actions: singing, dancing, telling jokes, or explaining science facts. You can even use storyboard mode to merge scenes together, creating full adventures or educational episodes up to 5 minutes long. Here's the coolest part. You're not limited to animals. Make AI or cartoon clones of yourself, swap faces, and design unique characters your audience will love. Want to create unlimited talking, singing, or dancing videos? No problem. There's no monthly fee and no hidden costs. Plus, with the included commercial license, you can sell your videos or use them in any project, big or small. So, whether you're dreaming up magical bedtime stories, building a fun educational channel, or just want to make your project stand out, this tool lets you do it all, in minutes, not hours. Ready to let your animal characters tell their stories and make kids smile? Click the link below and start creating your own talking animal videos today. Your imagination is the only limit.